What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Teams, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to perform a security check into your WordPress website looking for problems on the site code or some potential security vulnerabilities, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just international sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing is understand the importance of security, okay? According in sometimes, okay, twice a year, 3 times per year at least, you need to perform a security check on your site. Maybe some plugin problem, make some problematic update, and they may have infected your site somehow, okay? So it's important to keep your site healthy, to protect your client's data and others important things, okay? Now let's learn how to do this for free, okay? The first thing, you're gonna move to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over plugins, okay? Into the plugins, you're gonna click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword, you're gonna be able to find a field called search plugins. Click on it and type word defense, just like this, okay? Here is the guide we are looking for. Word defense, security, firewall, malware scan, and login security, okay? I'm gonna click on install now. After this, we're gonna click into the blue activate button. Now the plugin gonna request you to get your word defense license. Click on the button. You're gonna be redirected to the site, okay? We're gonna choose the free plan. You're gonna select I'm okay. Now we're gonna need to enter your email. You may want the vulnerability alerts go to your email or not, up to you. And you're gonna select I have agreed with the applicable terms, okay, the license. Now, to complete your account, you're gonna need to check your email, okay? Email on the inbox of the email that is selected on their website after the plugin activation, asking you to click in a button to install the license automatically. This is gonna redirect you back to your WordPress dashboard in the plugin installation page, a page where you're gonna be able to see the email and the license code. Make sure that you click into this button, install license. You can choose to receive emails or not, okay? Install license. Free license installed. Congratulations! Word Defense Free is now active on your site. Now click on Go to Dashboard. The plugin gonna guide you, okay? This is the dashboard. Word Defense Dashboard provides valuable insights into the current status of your site's security. Next. Easily monitor your word defense protection. Global word defense options. Now that you are on dashboard, review the left sidebar menus on your WordPress dashboard once again. Scroll down just a little bit. Next to settings, you're gonna be able to find the new menu, the word defense, and right here you're gonna be able to see a couple of features. The feature that we are looking for is this one, scan. So click into this submenu, scan. Scan. A word defense scan looks for malware, malicious URL, and patterns of infections by examining all the files, posts, comments on your WordPress website. It also checks your server and monitors your site's online reputation. Go to next, manage scan settings, and got it. The scan happens automatically, okay? But you can request one. In the case that you want, for example, all you have to do is click right here, start new scan. the plugin is analyzing the files. I will not cut the video so you can see the results happening, okay? As you can see, the process can take a little while because it's gonna scan every single part of your site and you're gonna be able to see solutions, okay? You can see details of issues, you can fix issues, you can ignore issues in the case that you want. After something like 2-3 minutes, you're gonna be able to see these results. The scan is completed. Scan completed, scanned 1, 3, 6, 8, 9 files, okay? So 13,000 files, 10 plugins, 4 themes, 29 posts, 2 comments, and 0 URLs in 3 minutes and 21 seconds, okay? And 2 issues found. You can fix issues right here, or you can see more details about the issues, okay, in the case that you want. And the secure of this website, it's great, okay? Of course, there is something to upgrade, something to explore, but there is no risks, okay? For example, the debug log files is it's something that you can fix with a single click, okay? So nothing much to worry. Simple, easy, and very effective. And of course, if you see more issues into this list, you can see more details, you can search on the internet, or you can see recommendations by the plugin itself in order to fix it, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, or game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!